Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of the Zulu royal family. The battle for the AmaZulu throne is set to continue to play itself out in court on Tuesday. The matter will be heard at the Pietermaritzburg High Court following the passing of Zulu King Goodwill Zwelithini last year. The royal household saw division as they disagreed on who should become the next king. Although Misizulu Zwelithini was announced king through his mother's will, some members of the family are not in favor of him. The Zulu royal family's game of the thrones is set to unfold in the Pietermaritzburg High Court. Queen Sibongile Winfred Zulu from the KwaKhethomthandayo Royal Palace is challenging the matter of her husband's will and is saying she is the only wife who married the late king in a civil marriage. Her daughters, Princess Ntandoyenkosi Zulu and Ntombizo Suthu Zulu Duma, are alleging that their father's will, which was left by the late Queen Mantombi Dlamini of KwaKhangalema Nkengane as Queen Regent, may have been forged. At the same time, the late king's brother Prince Misizulu has filed an interdict to hold the coronation for Misizulu Zwelithini. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye good people.